I'm going camping and need a nice lunchbox to bring my food with me, but I don't want any normal lunchbox. So today, I'm testing a tactical lunchbox from QT&QY. And this lunchbox comes shipped to your door, ready to carry your food and drinks as well. Unwrap it, take off the bag tie, and unfold your lunchbox. The top of the lunchbox has a handle, and the inside has an insulated liner with a zipper pocket on the roof of the lunchbox. Then the inside has a leak-proof pouch that's pretty deep and can store a lot of items. On the front, there's a Velcro patch that you can remove so you can customize it, as well as a zipper pocket. Inside that, you have your shoulder strap. Then on one side of the lunchbox, you have a stretchy mesh pocket, and on the other side, you have a zipper MOLLE pouch. Lastly, you have a zipper pocket on the back for even more storage. I connected the shoulder strap and then grabbed some food and drinks for my lunchbox. I loaded it down, and the main pocket was deep enough to hold nearly everything I needed. And then I put some extra stuff in the zipper pockets. And even loaded down with everything, the bag feels durable and strong. When I got to my campsite, I got the fire going and unpacked my food and drinks. I cooked some good food over the campfire and had cold drinks ready for me when I needed them. Overall, I really like this lunchbox. It's sturdy, has a ton of storage, and I just love the look of it. So if you're looking for a cool lunchbox to bring with you camping, to the work site, or even a picnic, this lunchbox might just be for you. Till next time, I'm off to go do some shopping for some new patches. See ya.